What is going on, my people? Today, we are doing stuff. We got it all set up. I got the area cleaned out, whatever, access within, and now it's just waiting around for Barry. It is 8:10. I think they should be here pretty soon because he said he wanted to get here around 8, 9 or whatever, like early, so he could beat traffic on his way back too. It's like a 3-hour ride. Yeah, that's really it. I just wanted to start this video off and kind of just let you guys know where we're at. I don't want to give you guys too much of the same content back to back because we literally just did all this shit. I want to give you guys content, but not exactly the same. So like I'm trying to spread things apart a little bit. So yeah, with that being said, I'll get back to you guys soon when Barry comes. I don't know if I'm gonna film like the whole thing, like his whole step-by-step process and whatnot, because I don't know if he really wants that, like, showing his trade secrets. I mean, this is what our channel's about, but not everyone likes, to do that. So you just gotta respect it. He's coming out here, taking his time, 3-hour trip, 6-hour round trip, and spending his time here and fixing it up for me. So that being said, I'll see where his head's at, and I'll get back to you guys soon. Peace. Finally here with homie Barry and Devin. You guys remember with the full bolt-on Tsx.
MADD Honda Racing.
Yes, sir. You guys know them, so they're here to help me out.
Yeah, we're gonna try to fix this thing.
Yeah.
First
not try to, we gonna fix it. We got Barry, man.
No, it's gonna be fixed.
Yeah.
It's gonna be fixed.
Easy peasy. Thank you, sir.
Back down some. Alright, you good right there.
Barry, man, got it all done up. Can't show him all the trade secrets and all that, but shout out to him.
Going there.
And the Honda bonds are gonna seal it.
Yep.
It's just so weird seeing that gap now. I'm like,
Yeah, you're like,
it's even bigger a gap than it was before now. So
your brain's going. Are you sure it's tight?
That's what I was fucking
this
doing.
gap?
Like, I thought it
Oh,
was
the gap that you did.
I didn't know it was supposed to be, some threading show and stuff.
Oh, so you were.
Yeah, but I wasn't.
Oh yeah. Threading's gonna be shown because it's wedged.
I had no idea.
Yeah, it's
I had no idea
slightly
it was like a
wedged.
problem. And I was sitting there just, finger tightening it with a wrench and just kept going, no tension. So I was like, all right, you must have
And then
fucking
there's a
clicked at
yeah.
some point, and
You're like, what was that pop? What was that pop?
Pretty good fast. Yep. Lined up over here.
This one's practically lined up.
Yeah, the rear one.
Alright.
Okay.
That's basically it. That's how easy it was last time too. I'm thankful. Woo. Yes, sir.
Got it done.
Shout out to the homies, MADD Honda Racing and Dev. Got it done.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Super excited. Just gotta let it, it's gonna dry up by the time I get everything bolted in and
By the time you get
whatnot.
everything done, you can just start it.
Probably tomorrow, I'm gonna be able to start it up, so.
Let everybody know, Christian is a very good friend, good buddy of mine, personal friend. This is the only time I make house calls.
Yep. Exclusively just for me, man, and I'm
Nice
super
little road
thankful. This like 3-hour trip.
Plus, my wife kicked me out of the house. She said I need to get out sometimes.
Nice little road trip. It sucks that it's rainy and shitty out today,
Yeah.
but hey,
As long as it's
progress.
not raining.
Thankfully, we're in the garage. Hey, all right, y'all. So, as you can tell, the motor's back in. Big shout out to you, Barry, MADD Honda Racing, and Devin for coming out and helping me out and do this thing. Big shout out to Barry, man, for just doing this, fix and putting me back on the road. Well, I'm not on the road yet. I haven't been yet, but the motor started, it's healthy, and we know we about to be back on the road. So, motor mounts all in, and this one top training mount. So it's all fastened, the hoist is off, just like that. Now it's putting it back together. I'm probably gonna do the startup tomorrow.
12 seconds later.
Let me pause this for a second. You already know, always supporting the gunning, movement and whatnot. Always watching Aki's videos. Furthermore, on the TSX, let's see, what time is it? 8:16. So, try to start getting all these like suspension stuff on, like the axles and whatnot, and get that underneath set. Then I can mess with the rest of this and get it all set. That being said, hope you guys enjoy this video, these montages and stuff. Let me know what kind of videos you guys want to see, what kind of merch you guys want. I really need to start getting creative and push out this merch. If you guys, any of the supporters, you guys, lit with the Photoshop and graphic design and stuff like that, could help me out maybe with some designs, let me know. Alright guys, last piece of the puzzle except for the battery, which I'm going to install tomorrow. And yeah, we got it done, back together in one day, a couple hours, That's with me taking quite a long break in between. A couple breaks actually, if you know what I mean. But yeah, it honestly went really well. I just want to say thank you guys so much for all the support and just, showing all this love and continuously watching every video, leaving your comments, giving your motivation to me, and just make sure I keep going. I'm super grateful for that, so I just want to thank you guys. Enough talking, let me get this shit on. Alright guys, the intake's on, so basically everything's on and complete except for the battery. Thank you guys so much for all the support. Make sure you guys stay tuned for next video is when I'm going to start this baby up. I gotta get all the fluids in and whatnot tomorrow. But I feel like it's kind of a little bit lengthy video and it's a good progress. We just need to put out a video, so that's all I'm saying. So make sure you guys go stay tuned for next video. Like, comment, and subscribe. It's been your boy Rish, and I'm out because we never take a day off.
Work around the clock, my engineer getting paid off. Rock like Ace up, like the weed and take off. So high, cannot